Here at Astound, I'm always encouraging my team to push boundaries and rethink what's possible. We've been leveraging anything and everything AI for almost 2 years now, and we're really starting to see it pay off in terms of the type and quality of experiences we're able to build for our clients. I'm Tom Storczynski, Senior Vice President, Head of Brand Experience and Digital here at Astound. Today I'm really excited to showcase a few specific elements of some digital activations we've worked on recently. The first actually just launched this past week, which is our AI Generative Art Wall. This one we've actually been thinking about and slowly playing around with in the background for just over a year now. Then about 4 months ago, an agency partner came to us with a client who wanted something that we felt this would work perfectly for. And well, now it exists. The Gen AI Art Wall really is on the cutting edge of what you're going to see in the market right now. This is the first of its kind as a live brand activation, and we couldn't be happier with the results. Essentially, we're using stream diffusion and body tracking data to generate up to 15 new images per second, which change based on people's interaction with it. No one else is currently doing this type of stuff, and we're really proud of what we're able to develop in-house here at Astound. This art wall is the latest of many products that we now have available at Astound for our clients to leverage for their events. The second activation we actually completed in May of last year, but it's coming back around for round 2 very soon. It's a virtual reality mission to Mars that we developed for our client CIBC. Based on their Ambitions Made Real platform, we developed multiple digital activations for them spanning from AR to projection mapping and also virtual reality. With the VR piece, we really wanted to go big though and take them on mankind's biggest ambition by putting people on Mars. And so we did just that. This one was especially interesting because it was the first time we'd seen anyone create a brand activation that worked with an omnidirectional VR treadmill. So if you're looking for something cutting edge that's truly engaging and can be handled from design through the digital development and physical build by one partner, then you know who to call. It's not Ghostbusters. Don't call the Ghostbusters. Call Astound. We'll do a way better job.